Hello, my name is Brandon. I'm a health insurance agent. I was using Microsoft Excel. I am now using Numbers. For more reviews like this, click below. So previously, I was using Microsoft Excel for more complex data functions in regards to charts and spreadsheets. For now, in my current career, it's more so boiled down to just keeping names together, just keeping addresses together. And although Excel does provide a lot more in regards to tools and functions, Numbers provides a much cleaner aesthetic for me to use. And that's why I have now made the full switch over to Numbers and use it for my current career. So I believe Numbers is best for the person who is looking to just keep data together for personal usage and maybe slight business usage. I say that because Numbers aesthetically is very pleasing to the eye, as with most Apple products are. So for somebody that just needs it for casual use, just keeping a couple of things together, maybe a spreadsheet or two without really going into too much functional or functionality behind anything, I would recommend Numbers. So Microsoft Excel is great for a lot of people. It does provide a lot more functions than any other spreadsheet-based program on the marketplace. It is very user-friendly, works with every computer as well, so you're not going to be limited by just an Apple product or a Windows product. And there's also lots of tools available online for somebody that does need more in-depth tools and functions when it comes to their data and spreadsheets and whatnot. So if somebody needs it for more intense business use, I would highly recommend Microsoft Excel. So when it comes to Numbers, it's very simple. It does come with Apple already built in, so it's just as simple as opening the program and you're good to go. From there, it really comes down to what you're trying to do, which once again, Numbers is very simple, very easy to look at. Now, if we make the switch over to Microsoft Excel, because it is a part of Microsoft Office, there is a sign up fee. There is a sign up kind of a tutorial based program that comes with it from the get go that you do run through. And then after, you are pretty much thrown right into Excel as with Numbers. But the difference is that Excel does give you a lot more upfront. So there's a lot more to look at. There's a lot more to do with Excel. So for the brand new user, it might be a bit overwhelming. But after some usage, after some time with the program, kind of experimenting, it'll become much easier to use. So objectively, Excel is a better program than Numbers. The purpose, however, is going to be paramount when choosing a program. So personally, I use spreadsheets for very simple tasks, whether that's tracking names for work or tracking very simple data for work. And it's also free. So for me, the value of it was more so in that I could use it whenever I wanted to. I didn't have to worry about paying an annual fee for the program, and it's also very aesthetically pleasing. So Numbers for me was a no-brainer. Now, for somebody that's going to need more in-depth chart functions, going to be crunching more numbers, need in if more formulas basically, and is okay paying a fee, I would bar none recommend Excel is the choice to go with there. Like I said before, it's going to depend on the purpose. For just a casual user, I would recommend Numbers. For somebody that's going to need an in-depth spreadsheet program that also allows access to a multitude of functions that Numbers does not have access to, I would recommend Microsoft Excel.